Potel, real-time pottery simulator for virtual reality. Simulating clay modeling in a virtual environment is a challenging endeavor. First, we have to render a dense mesh to represent the clay. Our intention is to manipulate the clay much like a potter sitting at a pottery wheel. To create a direct tactile feedback when manipulating the clay in this application, we have created a virtual brush that generates depth cues which signify where we are going to deform the virtual clay. We have also added gentle micro vibrations onto the palms as a haptic interface to enable the potter to feel the clay. Potel also uses audio feedback when the potter's hands are engaged with the virtual clay. Because updating the clay frame by frame is an expensive task, in order to deform the clay, we do so by using layers. Layers give us the possibility to add or subtract clay from the original model without losing performance. It does this by applying a Gaussian function based on a radius to the point of contact. When the potter removes their hands, then the whole mesh gets updated to mimic the desired change. By using layers, we bypass the performance problem of frame-by-frame updates, enhancing the user experience of manipulating virtual clay. In Potel, we have created a mountain retreat, where the potter can engage in virtual pottery making in a calm and relaxing environment. The potter achieves a state of tranquility, enabling the virtual experience to extend over a longer period of time. The sound of the potter's wheel is a subliminal tone for active meditation. Potel's interface is quite simple. By using your index finger, you can push buttons on a virtual stand that is part of the potter's wheel. In the center, there is a button to start with a new mass of clay. On each side of that control, there are buttons to push the clay, to pull the clay, and to control the speed of the spinning wheel. On the top left side of the stand is a tutorial button with step-by-step instructions on how to use the application. On the top right side of the frame, there is a button to send your finished virtual pottery to a 3D printer for enjoyment in the real world. We hope you enjoy the Potel experience.